You like milk?
Yeah.
What do you like best about milk?
I do.
You like milk?
Yeah, I do.
You do?
Hey.
Hi. Are you happy?
Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why are you so happy?
Well, I do.
Because you've been drinking milk?
Yeah, I'm milk.
Yep. Drink some more.
Hmm.
Are you drinking too much juice? I mean milk?
Yeah, I'm milk.
You likes that stuff, huh?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, Dan.
What's your name?
Danny.
Johnny?
Yeah.
Can you say Johnny?
Danny.
Say Johnny.
Danny. Danny.
Oh, what's Mama's name?
Amy.
What's Daddy's name?
Dan.
What's Grandpa's name?
Mama.
What's Grandma's name?
Papa.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Come here. Come here, Johnny. Come here. So, were you a good boy?
Yeah.
Were you a good boy today?
Yeah.
What did you do today?
Oh, date.
You... What?
Date.
You watch TV all day?
Yeah.
Did you play too?
Yeah, I play.
Did you help clean?
Yeah.
Did you read 12 books?
Yeah.
Did you do the laundry?
Yeah.
Did you push the car out?
Yeah.
What else did you do today?
But I play.
You did,
No, I play.
you did what? Played the piano?
Yeah.
Can you stand back a little bit?
Okay.
No, just move back. No, look at Daddy.
Huh?
No, turn. Can you stand? Can you stand over by your chair? Stand over by your rocking chair. That's pretty good. Now can you look over here? Are you a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like your hat?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Hot.
Do you like to wear your hat outside?
Yeah.
Oh, what does your hat have on it? What letter is on it?
Well.
What's that letter?
Ew.
What?
Ew.
It's not a U. What is it?
Kid.
Yeah, look now. What does it say on there?
Kid.
Is that an M?
Um.
M. M is for what?
Teammate.
Teammate.
And team.
It's for the Minnesota Twins, right? Minnesota. Can you say Minnesota?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, hot. Yeah, hot. Yeah, hot.
Mm-hmm. Can you run run fast?
Fast.
Okay. Can you run slow?
No. Fast.
Come in here and run slow.
Okay, the so. So. Yeah, fast.
Fast.
Fast. Fast. It's fun.
Okay, now come here.